Good morning, you guys are welcome. This morning I want to talk about blood pressure precisely, and the reason I want to talk about it is people have been taking blood pressure for granted. People have not been taking it seriously. You see, if you don't take your blood pressure level seriously, my dear, you are playing with your life, because blood pressure is another vital things that you need to focus on in your health. Now, the major thing why I'm doing this video is the effect for you that don't take care of their blood pressure. What can that do to you? What can what can that cause to your system? What can that cause? Will it cause you any damage, or just like that? Do you understand? That's the reason why I want to tell you now. Blood pressure itself is something that you need to understand it very, very effectively. And one thing about it is so many things can increase your blood pressure. So many things can make your blood pressure go high. Then you need to understand there are some people that inherited it. Yeah, people inherited blood pressure from parents, from family. Yeah, it's in the gene, is inherited as well. But I'm talking my major one is not those ones that inherited, it's those ones that their lifestyle gave them blood pressure. Do you understand? Now, if you're talking of high blood pressure, there are so many things that can make your blood pressure go high. Do you understand? Causes of high blood pressure: one is overweight or obesity. People that are very fat, people that are very obese, people that or obesity, that can help your blood pressure go high. Some of you are very fat. Some of you don't check your BP time to time. Normally, if not for the issue of poverty that is much in some places, every family is supposed to have blood pressure machine. You're supposed to have it in your house. Look at blood pressure machine, look like sugar machine. That's your glucose level machine. You need to have it at home. This one, you have it to check, to know more about your system. At least be all these first aid box, you need to have it at home. Why? You are not praying from anything, any accident, any of those things, but who knows? Anything happen, at least calm it down, calm some things down, have some knowledge, have some little things. I tell you earlier, one of the better things you can do to yourself is having the knowledge about health, about your health. It doesn't matter the school you went to, or you study. No, it don't matter. Obese can do it. Eating of much of salty substances can affect it. Eating much of salt, much of maggi, much of spicy substances, it can easily trigger your blood pressure to go high as well. Then taking things that contain caffeine, it increases your blood pressure. What are the things that contain caffeine? I won't give you all, but I'll give you a few. Nescafe contain caffeine, Lipton contain caffeine, energy drink contain caffeine, Coke contain caffeine, bitter cola contain caffeine, cola itself contain caffeine. All those things, if you are having issue of blood pressure, you need to avoid those things, because it triggers it up as well. Then another thing that affects your blood pressure is someone that take things that have or much of alcoholic drink. People that take alcoholic drink, it affects your BP level to go high. Why am I telling you all those things? If you don't take care of your blood pressure, you are already harming yourself. Then lack of adequate sleep. Those that don't have enough sleep, sleeping late, overworking, overstressing yourself, it affects it. I'm talking about stress. Do you know that we have 3 types of stress? We have more than that, but primarily 3 types of stress that can easily affect your blood pressure. Number 1 stress is when the body is not having enough rest, sleeping late and waking up early. You will sleep late, wake up early. The body needs at least minimum of 6 to 8 hours for you to sleep. You need a rest so that it can regenerate, can build itself any longer, to recharge. Let me use that word, itself. That can easily affect your blood pressure. Lack of sleep, not sleeping well, can affect it. The number 2 stress is mental stress, which is the one that easily affects people, which is thinking about this, thinking about that, what to do, what not to do. All those things increase your blood pressure. Overstressing the mind, so many family responsibility, but no resources to fit it. Then the last one, which I'll give you this morning, there are more than that, as I tell you, is lack of vitamins in your body. Is a stress to the body. Some people are used to eating rice, eating beans, eating much of carbohydrate. They don't take fruit, they don't take vitamins. In a week, if no matter how it is, try and take some fruit. Most of all the fruit contain different vitamins. Do you understand? Orange contain vitamin C, carrot contain vitamin A, watermelon contain vitamin C, the vitamins that all those fruit contains are much. Do you understand? You need to go with it. Be taking some fruit time to time. When your body is lacking all those things, it becomes a stress to your body system. Why am I telling you this one? Your blood pressure is something you need to be checking at least minimum once in a week. Minimum once in a week. Why? The stress you are always getting into. The another thing that can easily increase your blood pressure, someone that consumes much of high cholesterol substances, much of oily food. By consuming those things, the arterial wall will be blocked with cholesterol, with fat, and the blood is not flowing properly due to the blockage of all those things. It can easily trigger your blood pressure to go high. With that, it can make you to have joint pain, you could have back pain, some of it is body pain completely. When BP is high, some of the things you experience is headache, some of the things you experience is dizziness. What am I telling you? There are so many things that can cause your blood pressure level to go high. But you need to understand that if you don't take care of your blood pressure, it's going to take care of you. As I said earlier, now it's better to take yourself to the hospital, check yourself, or when you see someone that are going around, see them checking, call them, let them check you down. When they think bring you down and someone come and take you to the hospital and check you, common sense is not common. Do you know that one will check you? If you take yourself to the hospital, it won't cost you much. If they take you to the hospital, my dear, it will cost you 10 times of the time that you take yourself. You need to understand all those things. So there are so many signs, so many symptoms you need to understand that comes with it. But blood pressure is something you should not joke with it. What I just talked to you about is high blood pressure. Let me just rush through low blood pressure for you. Now, low blood pressure is the dangerous one. That one can make you faint. That one can kill you instantly. That one can make you it can paralyze you immediately. It's something you should not joke with. Now, what are the things that can cause your blood pressure to go low? One, losing of blood from the body, either through accident, donation of blood, or for ladies in your monthly seasons. You know what I mean? Your monthly flow, changing of blood, when you release this blood out of your system. When they check you at that moment, your blood pressure can go low. Don't forget, low blood pressure as well can be inherited. Another thing that can make your blood pressure go low, when you have malaria in the system. When you have malaria can make your blood pressure level go low. You need to understand that low blood pressure is more dangerous, and it's something you should not joke with. Do you understand? Don't joke with low blood pressure. The next one is lack of nutrients in your diet. Lack of nutrients in your diet can easily cause your low blood pressure. Sincerely, lack of nutrients. That's why I just talk about those lack vitamins, not eating well. All those ones as well can cause you. And you know, if you are not eating well, you will not even enjoy your body. Then dehydration, that is lack of water. Not taking water constantly can make your blood pressure to go low as well. And you know that there are some certain medication that you are taking as well can make your blood pressure go low. Sincerely, some certain medication can make your blood pressure go low. Don't joke with it. That's why if you buy any medicine, any drugs from the hospital, read everything in it. Read the paper in it first before you take it. People are just buying and they just recommend you buy. There are some medicines that tell you if you have social issue, don't take it. If you have heart issue, don't take this. If you have kidney issue, don't take this. And people that have such issue and go and take it, they will now affect their system, harming themselves unknowingly. So many things that can make your blood pressure to go low. Severe infection. Do you know infection as well can make your blood pressure go low? Infection in the system. Infection can make your blood pressure go low. Don't joke with all those things. Don't joke with all those things. Why am I telling you all those things? Why? Because your system is your system. It's your health. It's your body. Mine is just to share the knowledge with you. If you like, take care of it. If you like, don't take care of it. If you're interested, you want to know more, you want to understand more, I'll give you my phone number briefly. Just call me or drop me. Let me give you my WhatsApp number, 081 4081 3823. Drop me a message on WhatsApp. Let's chat. Let's talk about it. It's sincere. Don't joke with it. Blood pressure have killed so many people. Are weak. But the major reason why I'm doing this now is this particular one I'm going to now. The effect of blood pressure, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, what can it do to your system? This is the reason why I'm doing this. So people that don't take their life seriously should know the effect of it. Then if they want the effect, if they want it to happen to them, no problem. Now, it can cause you stroke. high blood pressure, low blood pressure, it can cause you stroke. If you don't take care of your system, it can cause you stroke. Number two, it can cause you heart attack. In case you don't understand, you see, when the blood is not flowing properly, when the artery is blocked due to cholesterol level or so many things, it can easily increase the rate of heart attack for you. Then it can cause memory loss or brain damage, in the sense that, you see, when the blood is not flowing well, when you have stroke paralyzes some of your body, which affect the brain did not interpret properly. It can cause your brain, someone that having low memory index, which is forgetfulness, easy forgetfulness. Some of the things is your blood pressure that is causing it for you. If you like, take it serious. If you like, don't take it serious. Some people, when their BP is high, they feel numbness, in the sense that they don't feel some part of their body any longer. That's stroke coming close to you. In case you don't know, start feeling numbness, is stroke coming close to you. It can strike at any time. Don't joke with all those things. Some people is kidney failure or kidney damage. Blood pressure can cause you kidney failure, can cause you kidney damage. Why? The kidney can't filter things any longer. You know, the kidney is one of the vital things in the system. So all the organs are working well, all the things are very, very important. But kidney as well is very, very important. It can damage your kidney if you don't take your blood pressure. That's why you see people that have stroke, they have the issue of blood pressure. That blood pressure is something that doesn't start in a day. Blood pressure is not something that starts in a day. It's gradual process. That's why it's good time to time check yourself. In our place here, we do complete body general checkup. We do complete body general checkup, which is your hair, your eye, your brain, your kidney, your liver, your fertility, your sperm count, your breast, every organs in your system. We have a machine that runs that. Then we do body detoxification to expel things from your system, expel toxins from your system, burning fat, burning cholesterol, harmful substances that is not good for your system. We do it here that expel all those things out of your body. You have a body massage with an electronic massager, electronic pulse massager, not with hand. Is a machine that does that. We do that particular one as you were in this particular place. We check your blood pressure here. We check your sugar level in this place. Don't forget this Tasly company, which we are working on that, and we deal with health precisely. This is our major things that we are doing. If you are interested, the number I just gave you, you can chat me up and let me know. Now, let me tell you something that is more funny. Now, we do promo every month, and this particular promo that we do every month, we are in Kano. Yeah, we are in Kano. Now, we do promo every month, and this particular promo is 5,000 by getting a card. A card of us, getting a card is not expensive. It's only 5,000 naira. Now, this body detoxification, it will cost you 7,000 naira if you are doing only that. Then, checking of your body general checkup is 5,000 naira, which is cost you 12,000 naira already. Then, talking about massage, we do it is 3,000 naira, which is cost you 15,000 naira already. Checking of your BP level is 200 naira, which if you see it now is more than that. Do you understand? We check hepatitis, check of HIV if you have interest. Just that when people come, we don't do that except the request. Why don't you check my HIV? Why don't you check hepatitis? But we do all this. What did you need? You just need to get this card. I hope the card will show clear. If by getting this card, the card is not. Look at the card. Getting this card now, you will have access to all those checks I'm telling you, all those texts I'm telling you. Don't joke with your health, don't joke with your system. Then another thing it can do, it can cause sudden death. Have you heard about some people that stand this BP of a thing? People that just stand on their own just like that, maybe on Q or AT anything and just collapse. Maybe side on low blood pressure, one of those ones that easily cause it. So it's good, don't do it. It can cause you enlargement of the heart, sincerely. Now, it's not good. Causing the enlargement of the heart is not good. It can cause you eye problem. Do you know a blurred vision that you can't see clearly any longer? It affects you. Blood pressure affects all those ones. It causes you quick ejaculation in men. Sincerely, so many men that are having issue of God, I can't satisfy my wife, I can't satisfy my partner. I've taken so many. Your BP is high. How can you satisfy your partner? You can't. The blood is faster already. The pressure in your system is hot already, you can't satisfy your partner. Number two, if you have high sugar level, you can't satisfy your partner as well. High cholesterol level in your system, you can't satisfy your partner as well. Sorry, this is not the class for this. We'll talk about that in the next class when we have the class for that particular causes of that. But most men that complain about quick ejaculation, they don't satisfy their partner, don't satisfy. No, the thing is, if you have high blood pressure, it can easily cause it for you as well. Then lack of urge for sex for both male and female. For ladies, we call it frigidity. For male, we call it low libido. Now, the lack of urge, it causes those things for you as well. You see some ladies, they'll tell you 6 months have not, 1 year. I'm talking of married people. You understand? And I don't understand how you, at least even if you don't, as long as you are a normal human being, even if you are not married, you're supposed to be having the urge. Then discipline come inside, controlling yourself come inside. In a sense that if you don't control yourself, you are on your own. But at least you need to be having the urge because your hormones you're supposed to be reacting. Do you understand? You need to be feeling all those things as well. People that are pregnant, in short, your own is supposed to be 2 times in a week, 2 times in a week, 2 times in a week. Because if you don't take care of it, you know we get in, you take in. You know, some people have normal blood pressure. The moment they take in, their hormone change. The moment their hormone change, their BP shoot up. If you start don't take care of it, in time of delivery, it will be a risk. There can be a dangerous complication in pregnancy, time of delivery. So don't joke with this particular thing I'm telling you. Personality change, hormone swing. In a sense that some people, they tell you that just like that, when it can cause you personality change or hormone swing. In a sense that when you have a high blood pressure or a low blood pressure, it can cause it. Some people is confusion or constant confusion. They just don't know. They are always confused. They don't know why they are confused. Some of those things are your BP that is high, that is coughing this, because when the blood is flowing more than what it's supposed to be doing, it can cause us you all those ones. What am I telling you? Blood pressure is something you should not joke with it. If you are interested, let me give you the number again. Chat me up on WhatsApp. 081 4081 3823. I remain God bless, Emmanuel. If you are interested in all those things, sincerely chat me up. Let's talk about it. Why am I saying this? I care about you. I sincerely care about you. You are one of the major things that have happened to the earth. Why will you want to enjoy? There is difference between enjoyment and struggle. Why won't you want to enjoy life? They want to struggle. At least all what you are passing through, ignorance has been affecting us in so many ways. Please, this insult that the white men have been insulting us, let it not be on you. When they say, if you want to buy something from the white from Africa, put it in book, or from the black, put it in book. Now, you guys know that we read more than them currently. Most of us read more than them currently. We read back to back. We learn back to back. Yeah, you need to come to a place in your life that you start taking everything seriously. If you like, take your head serious. If you like, don't take your head serious. If you die, rest in peace. If you are alive, life continue. One thing I've come to realize, plus you minus you, the world will keep moving. But plus you in the world is a better thing because you have something to offer. You have children, you have family, you have loved ones. So many are looking up to you. Why stressing them? Why stressing yourself? Do you understand? Take care of your health. Your health is your wealth. One of the vital things you need to understand that in life, the only thing you have is time. And every time that is not well organized, not well taken care of, can take care of you. Do you understand? Don't joke with your health. Don't joke with it. Why am I telling you all those things? Then most importantly, in this particular one, if you are a BP patient, this one is for those that have BP problem already. If you are a BP patient, you need to stay away from few things that I'm about to tell you. Now, number one, you need to stay away from things that contain salt, spices, much Maggi. You need to stay away from it. Why? You're a BP patient already. Is in you already. So a little of this quantity of any of those things, it can easily trigger a talk. Then you need to understand that if you are treating blood pressure, if there are some medication you are taking, maybe we have our own here, we will do a supplement with healthcare product that treat it completely. Blood pressure is treatable, but it's going to take time, it's going to take effort, it's going to take you as a person to avoid so many things. But blood pressure is treatable. They'll tell you blood pressure is not treatable. What's the issue? The major problem of blood pressure is the arteries. If the arteries were properly worked on and the lifestyle is well adjusted, the product you are taking, there's two kind of product when it comes to blood pressure. The product that bring your blood pressure down, or the product that cleans those causes, things that cause it out of your systems. You understand? What we have is something that open your arteries, open the vein, whatever particles that hang on the road that is causing blood pressure to go high, we have something that clears it out of your system. Do you understand? Now, if you are taking blood pressure medication, anything contain caffeine, stay away from it. Anything contain sodium, salt, stay away from it. Over stress, stay away from it. Keep your mind in a restful place. Do you understand? Keep your mind in a restful place. Make sure you sleep well. Lack of adequate sleep can have, if you have a blood pressure problem already, drinking the medicine already, don't involve yourself in so many challenges, so many talks, so many confrontation with customers, with people outside. No, if problem come and meet you now, if you have a baby person, say thank you, please, not today. Keep dodging it. Life, there's a book called Attitude is Everything. Do you understand? When things come to you, it doesn't matter. It's the way you handle it. So when they bring problem to you or some confrontation from people, please stay away from it. Then if you have blood pressure, anything contain, let me just use alcohol now. Stay away from alcohol. Stay away from alcoholic drink if you are a blood pressure patient. Now you say, what should I take? There are so many things you can take. There are so many other drinks you can take. It must not be alcoholic drink. And those alcoholic drinks, I'm not saying they are not good. I don't patronize that. I don't promote it. But I'm trying to tell you, it's not healthy for especially you that have blood pressure as a problem. If you like, some of you, they overwork, you are working yourself. You need to go and check your blood pressure. If you don't know who will check you, you have my number already. I've given you that number. Let me know anywhere you are. If you are in anywhere in Nigeria or you are in anywhere in the world, if you are interested, let me know. We can look for a way to sort it out. There is no problem. There is no. This is an internet world. This is the 21st century that everything can be worked upon. Everything can be worked upon. If only you are willing as a person. Please, if you are treating blood pressure, there are certain things you stay away from. It. Sodium, things that contain caffeine. I've named all those things for you. So don't overstress yourself any longer. Then stay away from alcohol. There are other things to stay away from. But make sure, most importantly, be at peace with your mind. Be at peace with yourself. Have you seen when someone they check someone HIV? Even the person have HIV or the person have it, the doctor tell you, see this life, nothing is inside, all those blah 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 talk. Do you understand what they are trying to do is to make the person calm down, relax. That's why they are telling you all those things. And what they are saying is not blah blah blah. I'm just trying to summarize. That's why I'm using that word. Do you understand? But what I'm trying to tell you,